Welcome to day 1 of 7 of our 7-day clove challenge. If you're joining me, go grab your cloves because today we're starting something simple, ancient, and surprisingly powerful. Now, cloves may be tiny, but they're one of the most antioxidant-rich spices God gave us. In fact, they were so treasured in ancient times that commentaries written in ancient Israel and found in the Dead Sea Scrolls mention them as healing, purifying, and valuable household spices. So we're just going to add 4 to 7 cloves into our cup, and then we're going to add some hot water to that. 4 to 7 cloves steeped for 5 to 10 minutes. Now today you may not feel much, but here's what to expect. A warming sensation, a gentle digestive wake-up, and a surprising level of clarity shortly after drinking it. And most importantly, you just joined thousands of others doing the challenge with you. You're not alone. So comment down below, day 1, I'm in. And come back tomorrow for day 2, when we're going to start talking about the first change that most people feel.
Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.